my name's Hussain Muhammad Ali. I run my own practice. We've got 3 of us total, myself and 2 staff now. And I've been using TaxDome for 10 months. Took a while to find it. A lot of practice management apps out there, kind of evaluated all of them, but the experience has been fantastic with TaxDome. My clients love it. They love the fact that they've got an app that they can use. It's an integrated client portal. They can see their documents, they can see their e-signatures, they can see their invoices. It's fantastic. And I love it, my team loves it, just because everything's in one source of truth. All the contact information for my clients, all the documents we send them, all the documents they send us. Nicely organized, fantastic. No complaints, my clients love it. So I started in January, that's busy season for us. So I was worried that it would take a lot of time, it would take a lot of time away from the work that I do for clients, but the process was seamless. It took about a week to get started. Most of the work I could do myself, and when I needed the help, I just reached out. There was a team member available to help me. I'd like to see capacity planning come in. When I started with TaxDome, it was just myself. Now I've got staff, and now I've got a lot more clients, so from a capacity planning perspective, I'd love to see something that allows me to scale my practice, but also to be able to make my life even easier.